So you have downloaded Pixellab and Canva. We want to quickly start with Pixellab. How or what do you see when you first open your Pixellab application? Open my Pixellab application, and this is what you see. This is the default preset to see once you open your Pixellab application. Okay, so you have the default. You also have default. You have the theme option. This also. You have this option also. You have this option also. You have this option. You have this option. You choose a preset based on what you want to work on. Okay, so now we want to work with the default. This is the default. And before I do that, I want to show you how each of the buttons you have here in Pixellab actually work and what you can do with majority of them. So the first one I want to show you is this one. This is the add to add text, add any new thing you want to add to your Pixellab. So you can add text, you can see here. You can add current dates, you can see that here. You can add stickers, you can select from here. You can select this here, a list of stickers you can add. Okay, then you press you click this to send it in. So you can also add images. You can add shapes first. You can add shapes. Don't forget to give it to save it. So you can also add images from your gallery. You can also draw on the platform. You can draw whatever you want to draw on the platform. Okay, so this is the major function of this. So the next thing you want to look at is this button here. Is that button enables you to save your project or save your project as a file or image. Okay, save as a project or save as an image. So you can decide to save this as an image. That's after you've done your design finish. You just need only this frame. Okay, you just need only this frame. Okay, on which you design. So it will save it as image. Then you can decide to make it transparent. You can decide not to make it transparent. Then you save it to your gallery and you can share directly from here as well. So that's the way we export our designs as image. So your image form is what you get public there. So as a graphic designer, after you're done with your graphics, you want to export as image. That's the button to export or save as image. Then you can also save as projects. Just put your project name. For this course, we'll call it graphic design class. You confirm. So another button I want you to take note of is this button, okay, where you quickly share your design. Now, one good thing about this button is the fact that it enables you to share your design and automatically save your image as well. So you can choose to save your image, you can choose to share it, you can do the quick share option. Here it shares directly to Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus, WhatsApp, Instagram, and the likes. Okay, so that's that. Another one you should consider is this button. Okay, a very very important button. It now enables you to add automatic quotes. Okay, you can see a list of quotes here that you can add to your design. You can add a list of list of quotes you can add. Another one you should know is another button you should take note of is this three dot button. Okay, this button is very very important. You can use it to go to full screen. You can take your design to full screen. Okay, you can use it to you can use image from camera. You can export the image, you can change the image size, you can contact them, you can get tutorials, and you can open .plp files. Okay, so there are files that save as .plp file. You can collect a file from a friend and continue the design on your Pixellab. Okay, so here are the different buttons. So another button we have here is the reverse button. Okay, the reverse button, it enables you to go back when you make errors, go back while designing. Okay, as you can see, I can undo everything I have done to add it to this one. Another button you should make note of is this one. It gives you the option to increase the size of your design. You can see your two fingers, you can increase the size. Another button you should make note of is this button. Now this is like a box layer. It enables you, it gives you an option um, that box feel. While designing, you are able to know you have a mini box on your box. So another one you should take note of is this one gives you the option to see everything that is on your design. Okay, you can see everything on your design. Okay, so while designing, if you add a text, it will appear here. You can readjust the position. Okay, maybe in the later part of the video I will do that, give you some example about that. But you can also resize this here. You can choose to resize this. As you can see, with that button you can resize this, and while designing you can be cross-checking and all of those stuff. So another button you should make sure you understand if you're starting out of Pixellab is this button. This is the button for you to add text to your Pixellab. So you can use it to add text. Also use it to add quotes. Okay, you can add quotes. You can as well, you can add texts, and there are a list of functions you can use to beautify your text. Don't worry, in later part of the video we'll look at those buttons for text as well. Okay, so another thing you should consider while starting out on Pixellab is the shape button. The shape button, it enables you to import images. You can add shape. Okay, you can add shapes. So you can add shape, and you can edit the shapes here. You can edit the shapes here. You can choose another shape, choose another shape, choose another shape, choose another shape, choose any shape of your choice. Okay, you can choose any shape of your choice, and here a list of functions you can use to edit your shape. Okay, so I'll make it more lively. So another button you should consider is this button. This button, very very important. Okay, so you use it to make your background transparent. You can change your background to a color. Okay, you can use an image. You can change the size of your background. I can decide to give it an height of 800. Okay, as you can see, it automatically adjusted my background. You can decide to use an image as your background, or an image from gallery, or an image from camera. So it all depends on what you want. So yeah, a list of buttons you need to know on Pixellab. Now here is a button you use to come to your project, to go to your defaults and other templates to start your designing. Okay, so yeah, templates you can use to start designing, and you are good to go.